العليلة أنه ماله جنة.
Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for staying with me. So today we'll be making scented body butter, which is also known as my oud body butter. So this is what it looks like after 24 hours, and the ingredients used in making this amazing body butter are ingredients that you can find anywhere. Anywhere, you just need to get a quality one and a very very good one. And if you'd like to purchase these ingredients used in making our amazing scented body butter, you can send a DM. And if you love to order the scented body butter, you can send a DM. The one I'm holding here is a 4,000 naira, and we have it in smaller sizes too. And this is another size, which is the 150 grams. It smells so amazing, and it costs just 3,500 naira. So firstly, you're going to add your shea butter, and make sure you're using a very very good shea butter. I get my shea butter from the local woman in Niger State of Nigeria. You know, Niger State have like good great shea butter. Then I added a little bit of mango butter, and I'm going to melt this using the double boiler method. And make sure you don't melt your shea butter like on direct heat, because it is going to reduce the nutrients in the shea butter, and it's also going to burn the shea butter, and it's going to make the shea butter smell so bad. So when you're done, let it cool for some minutes, like just let it sit for some minutes. And when it's not hot anymore, you can add your oils. So and you can then transfer it to the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And when you're done, when it's looking like this, you transfer it to your mixing bowl, and then you use a standing mixer or a hand mixer to mix everything so that you get this fluffy consistency, which will make it very very light and very very easy to like melt into your skin. Like just incorporate air into it. And this is something that you need a mixer. If you do not have a mixer, I'm sorry, I don't think you're going to get this whipped airy looking beautiful buttery consistency with your scented body butter. You need a mixer for this recipe. So the standing mixer was not doing it for me. I had to like use my hand to get every part of the shea butter to be whipped. And then make sure you have like your oil mixture already sitting waiting for you to add. So for the oils, I like to use oils like my jojoba oil, sunflower oil mixture. And for amazing results, I use the rosemary elixir oil from Trari by Aisha brand, which cost me 6,000 naira only. For 50 ml of the oil, and these oils are very lightweight. So I am adding my vanilla scented oil, vanilla fragrance oil, to give it a vanilla top note. And then the rosemary elixir will give it an amazing oriental woody note, which is so amazing, as and it will leave your body smelling nice and looking all glowy for a very long time. So I added 40 mils of the rosemary elixir oil, and then 10 mils of the vanilla fragrance oil. So when you're done adding these oils, make sure you mix it very very well. Like make sure you use the mixer to mix it. Make sure the oils are incorporated well into the butter. And then if you do not have these oils, you can just use um sunflower oil. But this is not a recipe that you can add oils like olive oil and coconut oil, because they are heavy oils, and you do not want heavy oils on the skin. Then this is my oil mixture, oil blend mixture. And if you love to order this, it costs 6,000 naira only for 15 mils of the oil mixture. So this oil mixture is kind of like a vanilla woody oil. And as you can see guys, we added like a lot of oils, and our body butter is already looking so beautiful. Like the smell from this body butter, oh my god. Like it smells so amazing, it smells so good, and it lasts so long on your body, and it leaves your body smelling fresh and healthy and glowy for a very long time. So you want to like incorporate a lot of air into this butter, like I said, because we are making a whipped body butter. So when you're done, you are going to transfer this into like beautiful jars, storing jars, and you can leave this to you can store this in an airtight container, and you can store it away from sunlight, but make sure you store in an airtight container so that the scent will not escape. And here I'm giving it a try, like I'm testing it, and the overall result is just so amazing. And if you love to recreate this recipe, just let me know. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Inshallah, I'm going to answer you guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your loved ones. And if you love to join our upcoming classes on the business of perfumery or the business of trial water making zero point 0.1, send a DM to join the waitlist group. We have over 100 people in the waitlist group, and the class is going to start in May. And the fee for the class is just 5,000 naira only, and you are going to learn branding, content creation, pricing, international deliveries, and everything you need to know about how to run a small perfume or a big international perfume business, a successful international perfume business. I can't wait to have you guys in class, and inshallah, I promise you guys the class will be a fun filled and a very fully packed class where you're going to gain a lot from it, inshallah. So send a DM if you love to join, or just send a message to the number on the screen. Bye.